all going down the same hatch.
That's what you're supposed to do. It's supposed to be mixed together. I gotta mix it in there. I don't have my fruit on top, so I'll mix it together.
That's all? Nothing else?
That's it.
This is what you call ghetto parfait. She mixed her blueberries and strawberries all together. Oh, with the granola and the yogurt. The expired granola. This is, yeah, ghetto parfait. Why are you looking like that?
How many people throw away their granola because they expire right away? Nah, I don't throw mine away right.
What has no nutritional value?
You can show me that. You can look at that one now.
Yes. What has no nutritional value though?
That one.
So why do we get it? What? Because you sure eat them all the time to say they have no nutritional value. So this is what the Chick-fil-A parfait looks like.
Okay.
We don't know what kind of yogurt they use. I might need you to help. Oh, there we go. My hands is ass shooting. Oh, shoot. And it has blueberries, strawberries in it. Sometimes you can get extra fruit. Of course, they're gonna charge you for that. And this is their granola. Honey nut granola.
That's harvest.
Not expired. Oh, harvest nut granola. And it's not expired. You getting offended? I'm gonna tell you it's good.